Hello, everyone. Hope you are all doing great. I hope you have downloaded the first chapter of my book, Retire on Your Terms, which I provided as a gift on my birthday, 4th of June. For those who did and have read the chapter, did you relate to the story to some extent? I provided a description of my background, education, and my corporate experience, how I work towards planning my retirement from corporate life and following my passion. Hope my story has energized you. Deep within, we all have our passions and a desire to do what makes us feel happy. My book, Retire on Your Terms, is a step in that direction. I put across some deep, engaging questions on what you want to do, what you should not do, and then provide a roadmap on working towards your financial freedom. I'm happy to announce that I'm launching my book, Retire on Your Terms, on 24 June 2023 on the occasion of my father's birthday. The book is getting released as paperback and also as ebook. If you have not yet downloaded the free chapter of my book, my story, then please do so. The details are provided in the description below. Until next time, goodbye.